Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want clean, ad-free videos, better privacy controls and more professional video experience on your Lovable website, integrating it with Vimeo is the smart move in 2026. Most problems come from privacy restrictions, wrong embed settings, unpublished pages, or missing iframe dimensions. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Lovable with Vimeo in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, decide how you will use Vimeo. Okay, so first be clear about the goal. Most common Vimeo use cases like embed a single video, private or password protected video landing pages without ads. So Vimeo is perfect for courses, portfolios, okay, and etc. So get the Vimeo embed code. Okay, so in Vimeo, open your video or something, any video, click share, copy the embed video, optional like customize player colors, hide titles. Okay, so then Vimeo embeds are cleaner than YouTube and fully customizable. Okay, so you have to know that. Now paste the Vimeo embed in Lovable. So in Lovable, click add elements. Okay, choose embed or HTML, paste the Vimeo iframe code and then tap save. So this is the most stable integration method. Okay, then save and publish. So Vimeo embeds often appears in the editor but fail live. So click save, click publish or update website and test on the live URL. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.